In this webcast, we'll be configuring and deploying the iboss SD-WAN SE170 Gateway appliance to connect a branch location to a data center in minutes. The iboss SE170 Gateway appliance is extremely easy to configure, making it easy to connect offices over SD-WAN quickly. We'll start with a quick overview of the SE170, then quickly jump into the live demo showing actual configuration of the SE170 right after. The iboss SE170 is a revolutionary gateway appliance that extends the security and capabilities of the iboss Zero Trust SASE platform directly into branch offices. It has a fully integrated firewall with all networking functions necessary to replace legacy branch office firewalls. This includes a DHCP server, VLAN support, and NAT. The SE170 has fully integrated SD-WAN capabilities, allowing it to connect sites together directly and securely over broadband connections to replace MPLS connections and legacy SD-WAN appliances. With a fully integrated security stack, the SE170 extends the iboss Zero Trust SASE platform security capabilities directly into the location. The SE170 provides full HTTPS decryption, CASB, malware defense, DLP, and other security capabilities directly in the appliance. The SE170 can be thought of as a pop-in-a-box that allows you to extend the iboss cloud directly into a branch location. The SE170 is completely cloud-managed. All security policies are directly replicated across all deployed SE170 gateway appliances automatically, and policies are managed through the iboss Cloud Console. The SE170 also contains many additional features such as multiple WAN network interfaces to support multiple ISPs for failover and traffic steering. SD-WAN is one of the core components of the unified iboss Zero Trust SASE platform. With remote users already connected to the iboss Cloud Security Service, the SE170 Gateway appliance allows the extension of all cloud security capabilities into the branch location. This consolidates multiple point products such as standalone SD-WAN appliances, firewalls, web gateway proxies, and DNS security services into a single iboss gateway appliance that acts like a pop-in-a-box and creates a cloud point of presence directly at the location. The SE170 can connect locations together and locations to cloud providers such as AWS and Azure easily. Here's the outline for the demo, which comes next. The goal of this demo is to get a new SE170 Gateway appliance with default configuration and deploy it to a branch location so that the location can be connected to a data center. There will be 3 steps to make this happen. In the first step, we'll configure the network settings of the SE170 appliance and deploy it to a location to serve as the location's edge firewall. At this point, the location will have internet access through the SE170 appliance. In the second step, we'll connect the SE170 Gateway appliance to the cloud by registering it with the iboss Zero Trust SASE cloud service. Once this is complete, the SE170 appliance will be completely cloud-managed and controlled. In the last step, we'll use the iboss Cloud Console to connect the branch location to the data center. Once this is complete, the devices at the branch location where the SE170 Gateway appliance is deployed will be able to communicate with the data center over the secure SD-WAN connection. Let's jump into the demo. In this step, we'll configure the network settings of the SE170 appliance and deploy it to the location. To configure the SE170 Gateway appliance network settings, we'll log into the local web console of the appliance by connecting to the LAN port of the appliance and entering HTTPS 192.168.1.1 in the address bar. This brings up the login screen. Enter admin for the username and no password as the password. We'll now configure a password for the appliance local login console and click Update Password. Next, the local network address for this appliance will be set. This location will have a local network of 192.168.20.0 with a /24 subnet mask. Let's change the local network address and DHCP client IP range to match the 192.168.20 local network for this location. That's it. The SE170 appliance is configured and can be deployed as the firewall for this location. The WAN port is connected to the internet and the LAN port is connected to the local network. In this next step, we'll register the SE170 with the iboss Zero Trust SASE cloud platform so that it can be completely cloud managed through the cloud service. Log into the iboss Zero Trust SASE Cloud Admin Console by navigating to https://cloud.iboss.com. Navigate to Locations and Geo Zones, then click the Add button to add a new location, which will represent the location the SE170 appliance is deployed. Go to the Private Networks tab of the location to specify the local network for the location of 192.168.20.0/24, which was configured for the LAN settings of the appliance. Create the private network entry by entering the network subnet and add it to the location by selecting the newly created subnet. Now all that is left is to add the SE170 appliance to the location. Go to the On-Site Nodes tab and click the Add New On-Site Node button. Select Gateway as the node type and click Next. Set any name you would like for the appliance that will be used in the Cloud Console, then click Register Node, which will add the Gateway appliance to the cloud account. Once the gateway is added, copy the key that is presented, which is needed to register the appliance to the account. Then click Update Location. All that is needed is to paste this key into the local login admin console of the appliance. Navigate back to the appliance web console, paste the key into the API key box, and click the Register button. That's it! The iboss SE170 Gateway appliance will automatically synchronize with the iboss Zero Trust SASE cloud platform and is now completely managed as an extension of the service. In this last step, we'll connect the branch location where the SE170 is deployed to a core data center, allowing secure communication between both locations. Connecting the new branch location where the SE170 Gateway appliance is deployed to the data center is extremely easy and straightforward. From the iboss Cloud Admin Console, click on Locations and Geo Zones, open the branch office location we created earlier, and click on the SD-WAN tab. Then click the button Connect Remote Location to this location, select the data center location which will be connected to this branch location, and click the Done button. Close the location and that's it. The branch location will now be connected via SD-WAN to the data center. We'll give the platform a few moments to synchronize these settings across the cloud service, which automatically handles all of the complexities of creating secure connections between the locations. The service handles creating BGP connections and optimal routing paths using low-latency connections. Once synchronization is complete, let's try to ping from the location to the data center over the secure SD-WAN connection created by the SE170 Gateway appliance. From a command prompt, we'll ping something at the data center. That's it! We've successfully configured and deployed SD-WAN using the SE170 Gateway appliance to connect a branch office location to a data center with little effort. While the SE170 Gateway appliance is designed for branch offices, iboss offers many other gateway appliances that can be deployed at larger locations and data centers. For example, the 1U Gateway appliance is great for larger campus networks, and the NBC Server Blade chassis is great for large data centers. All of these gateway appliances have the same capabilities and combine networking, security, and SD-WAN as an extension of the iboss Zero Trust SASE cloud platform. As a reminder, the MPL list promo provides no-cost SE170 SD-WAN Gateway branch office appliances with a fixed cost subscription per month per location. You can refresh existing SD-WAN deployments without worrying about appliance refresh costs and also eliminate MPLS connections with a more powerful, lower-cost solution. To learn more about the SE170 Gateway appliance and SD-WAN, visit iboss.com/SD-WAN. Contact sales or your account manager to take advantage of the SE170 who can arrange a quick shipment so you can get started right away. Thank you for joining.